Hi guys! So today we're making an awesome ham cheese sandwich. The ingredients include whole wheat bread, lettuce, tomato, mozzarella cheese, and lastly, chicken ham.
First, put a slice of whole wheat bread on the plate.
And you choose your selected ham, which I think I will be having this. But of course this looks a bit too big, so I'm gonna cut it. Okay, maybe that's a horrible idea. But next step is cheese. It's actually up to you how many cheese you want to put, but I personally love cheese, so I'm just going to put a bit more than usual, yeah. Than usually normal people. So next step, we put lettuce.
Next,
Now, personally, this is my favorite step because I love tomato. So here we go. But Angie and Keke doesn't like tomatoes, so I'm gonna be the only one putting in tomato.
Keke, do you want tomatoes?
Yeah. This is why I can put loads of tomato.
Keke wants some too.
Go away from me, Keke. I also like tomato. Nice ones. The last step of making the sandwich is putting another slice of bread on top. If you want anything additional, you could put on top of your sandwich. So I chose the ketchup. Me and Minnie chose the wasabi mayonnaise. I don't know if I should be putting this much. Yeah, I think I put it too much. You can have a bit of mine. Only a bit. Okay. I'm pretty sure I will die with this. You want that? Oh. Oh my gosh. It tastes like medicine now. I don't think